Before we start today's episode of the Boostly podcast, I have got some exciting news to share with you. For the month of July, I am giving away 1 month trial of the Boostly Content Creator. Now you may be asking and you may be thinking, well, what is the Boostly Content Creator? Host that I have come into contact with in the 5 years of doing Boostly. And when I say to them, you need to be posting every single day on social media, you need to be emailing your guest and your list, they always say to me, I haven't got the time. And I can't think of a better month to promote the Boostly Content Creator than July, because right now everybody around the world is busy, and they haven't got the time to think about the marketing or the social media or the emails. When in fact, the best time to do marketing is when you're at your busiest, because that means that you always have a pipeline coming through. So I created the Boostly Content Creator for busy hosts. Now, what do you get? Every single month, you get 30 to 40 pieces of fresh social media content that you can use for your social media channels, LinkedIn, Instagram, etc. You also get video templates, which are designed to stop the scroll on social media, which is really powerful. Email templates designed by expert copywriters that are working so well. Georgina Behrman messaged up in our Facebook group to say that she used one of the email templates and got free bookings, direct bookings instantly, which more than covered the cost. You also now get website headline generator tools, you get a money back guarantee, and you can cancel anytime. The price is only £5 a month. And right now, when you sign up, you go into the boostlycontentcreator.com, you add to your basket. In the coupon code section, you type in July, and you get the first month free. Now that is only available for the month of July. After that, it's £5. If you don't want to continue, you can just cancel at any time, but please make sure that you go and you use the Boostly Content Creator. My goal is in the month of July is to get 1,000 new hosts to register and sign up. This is how powerful I know this tool is, because the email templates in itself are providing a massive return of investment, and I would love for you to come and join. This is for new members only. Just go to boostlycontentcreator.com, add it to your basket, put in coupon code July, and I'll see you on the other side. Right, now we've got that out of the way, let's get on with today's podcast episode. We've reached a big milestone today at Boostly and the Boostly podcast. This is episode 300. And what I wanted to do, is something that I don't normally do, is I just want to talk about how we are helping hosts just like you all over the world. So Boostly was started back in 2016. It was an idea that I had in Scarborough, United Kingdom. And to start off with, Boostly was very much a one-on-one role. I would go into local hotels or bed and breakfast or self-catering accommodation, and I would work one-on-one with the host. At the same time, I created the hospitality community Facebook group, and it was, really just for Scarborough and Whitby, just to help local hosts in the area. And at some point in 2017, the Facebook group took off. Just like anything on Facebook, when something works and something's getting engagement, it promotes it to everybody else on Facebook. And we started to have people from outside of Yorkshire, and then outside of England wanting to join, and then outside of the United Kingdom wanting to join. And then it was people outside of Europe. And before we knew it, 2018, we had hosts from all over the world, and it was really growing. And we had people coming in that were fed up with the OTAs, fed up with Booking.com, Airbnb, etc. Fed up of not getting the guests that they want, fed up of commission costs, fed up of always having to feel like you are playing in someone else's sandpit. And the questions that I were answering was pretty much exactly the same. It was, how do you do X? How do you do email, Facebook, social media, etc. And what I did is I created something that I never thought I would do, is I changed my business from one-to-one to one-to-many. And that's where the Boostly Academy was born. And Boostly Academy started off with just 5 members, and now it's got closing in on 800 members, hosts from all over the world. And it's fantastic. I love it. The Boostly Academy, if you want to check out more, is boostlyacademy.com. That has grown over the years thanks to hosts like you spreading the word and telling more people about it. It's the training, it's the community, it's those that want a little bit more, those that want a little bit more help and advice on how to get direct bookings, which is great. On the offshoot of that, a big part of direct bookings is that people realized that they needed a website. In 2018, we built our first website. Now we're coming in close to 700 websites, maybe even just gone over it. And we are now the market leaders in website design for the world of hospitality, which is fantastic. And again, it's all down to the word of mouth and the results that people are getting. Because we know that all the marketing that we do, the bedrock of it is a website. If you've got a good website, a direct booking website where guests can go and make a booking on, it just makes your life a whole lot easier. Combine that with the tactics that we were teaching when it comes to email, when it comes to social media, when it comes to Google, when it comes to all the other things, having them connection together was great. When it came to social media, people were struggling with the content. I was saying part of my training, listen, you really should be posting every single day. You really should be having images that are going to stop the scroll, the copy that's going to turn a looker into a booker. And hosts were saying, well, I haven't got the time and I haven't got the confidence to create that copy or to create those images or to be posting every day. And that is honestly where the idea of Boostly Content Creator came around. I reached out to a local agency that have got a design team and a copywriting team. And, you know, between us, we've created this product called Boostly Content Creator, where every month you get 30 to 40 pieces of content for social media, and it's expanded from there. We now had in email templates because hosts were really struggling with emails. And also we've added in a website generator tool, which is also an Airbnb title generator tool, and much more is coming. All in all, over 1,000 clients all over the world, and we're all talking about direct bookings. It's all about working together. It's big teamwork going on, and I couldn't be more proud of every single member who has joined and all of the results that are coming in. The Boostly team has grown from just me to now we've got 15, 16 members of staff all over the world, and it's continuing to grow. What we're creating behind the scenes, the new technology, the new tools, the help and support, the coaching programs that are coming on the back of it is really exciting. And this is what I wanted to dedicate episode 300 to. If you are not yet part of Team Boostly, and if you wanted to come and find out more, then just head to boostly.co.uk, enter your email, and you will get 5 videos and tools that I recommend for free that will help you increase your bookings, and you can start your journey there. If you want to skip that, if you want to talk to us about a website, go to boostlywebsite.com, or if you want to find out more about Boostly Content Creator, go to boostlycontentcreator.com. So you've got 4 different websites to go check out. If you want help, guidance, got any questions, please leave a comment back on this video or send me an email, mark@boostly.co.uk. And Boostly, if you don't know by now, is BOOSTLY. Thank you so much for tuning in to episode 300. I don't do this often. I rarely do this, but I wanted to share this message with you as we take this podcast bigger, stronger, better, and bigger. And I'll be back tomorrow. My big goal this year is to do a daily podcast every single day in 2021 to help you hosts not only survive the past sort of 15, 16 months, but thrive on the other end. So let's do this together. I look forward to seeing you back here tomorrow. If you haven't done so already, just subscribe. And if you want to support all of this for free, just hit the like button and share it with a host. Thank you for stopping by, and I'll see you tomorrow.
Having a blast, gonna get it on the Boostly podcast. Boostly like Bruce Lee, cause it's so hard and the T is loose leaf. Making up those rhymes, don't write it, just do it loosely.